Hey guys, what's up? It's Harshal here back with another video, and today we are doing cooking with the lads. It's a new show. We have a special guest. Can you switch to the? Yeah, it's Arjun.
Yeah, the special guest here. Hi, bro. What's up?
Yeah, guys. So today I'm going to be making a cheese sandwich. First important thing is bread, cause Lester's favorite food is that. 2 slices of bread per week keeps Lester alive, so that works right. And we got a toaster grill thing. I don't know. We got what is this? Red chili pepper, oregano. Is that's Italian seasoning warmed up. We got cheese. I'm too lazy to grate it. And a plate, guys. The plate is most important, okay? And the knife. Ow. And we can. So yeah, guys, let's get started. First thing, open the bread. Lester, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. Arjun is doing his thing there. I don't know.
I can see him mixed up. Wow, look at him go. My neck is so bad, my god. Let me switch off video so that it becomes net.
Okay, guys. So next step is to get the cheese out. You take out the cheese, right? There's something flying around. Stupid dust. Yeah, guys. So I'm opening the cheese. See, even Gordon Ramsay can't do this. Gordon Ramsay, I challenge you to a cook-off. You know, cause Gordon Ramsay sucks at cooking. If you didn't know, guys.
So, Archie, when you are my first get ready.
I don't know how to take out the cheese. I broke it.
You know.
This Almarai man make proper products. Abhi half of it is still in there. Abhi yaar. Bro, I don't know how to take out cheese.
You're kidding me, no?
It gets stuck in there. Abhi it gets stuck. Look like this, Arjun. Oh wait, look like this. It gets stuck in there. Bro, can this? Yeah, look like this. It's like oh yeah, oh yeah. How do I do this? I need emotional support. Asha grated. Okay. Guys, that's the Almarai's fault. Almarai's fault, not mine. Hey, we go to sue Almarai or what? Yeah. Okay, guys. Next step, eat. Okay, guys. Next step, take some of this stuff. Yeah, what? Italian seasoning, cause a chef's gotta do seasoning. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, brother.
And guys, next is the red chili pepper. I like to burn my mouth every day, so yeah.
Getting too much of water. This is water. I need to get some vinegar again.
Oh my god, I put too much.
I got the vinegar, I said.
Okay guys, so I put on these seasonings. So guys, I put the seasoning down. As you can see, this one's dumb. I don't know what to do with that. I literally don't know what to do with that. So yeah, okay, I'll eat it. So guys, next we're going to grill the sandwiches. You take this thing, I don't know what is it. Or you can look at Arjun's view. He does it on the damp pan. Very lazy, so I do this. Oh, I don't know how to put it in, guys. I need help. And is that locked in? Yeah. So guys, next thing you need to do is grease this thing. Usually do it with butter, but I'm lazy, so I'll do it with ghee. Guys, so I've got the ghee right here. You just take some and put in your hand and do, I don't know this. So guys, I'll be back after the disgusting thing. I did the greasing things. So yeah, let's close this thing. So let me just close these things.
I'm scared if this will cook or not.
Shut up, Arjun. I'll beat you. No. Hey guys, so I put the sandwiches in. Let me just switch this on. Oh wait, this is not okay. Let me switch this on, guys. Let's put it in. Oh my god, I need two hands. Shut right? Yeah, shut. And Arjun is still doing his thing.
So I got the poach deck, but it's kind of broken to be honest.
Oh, it's poached deck. Underwater for minute.
See the poach deck? I made the poach deck, bro.
What the
It's cool.
Okay guys, so I have to wait till this thing is green and then take it out. So yeah, I'll be back, guys. See ya. Guys, so my thing is done. So let's open it. Oh yeah, look at that. Not even stuck. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Look at that. Oh my god. ASMR. Okay guys, so the next step is to cut the sandwich, if you have ever heard of it.
Yeah. Yeah, like a nice background view, you know what I mean?
Look at that. Wait guys, I'll cut it next to the cheese thing. Look at this. Oh, not much cheese, but there's a lot of cheese in that.
It's pretty good.
And oh yeah, yours looks good. Mine is a normal cheese sandwich. Look at this.
It's all over my hand, man.
Look at this, bro. Look at this tasty thing. Stop working, man. Okay guys, so let's put some sauce and stuff down. Oh yeah, look at that. This is a Nando's peri peri sauce, not sponsored. It's very good, guys. Yeah, watch, bro.
Sandwich?
Yo, it's very dumb, bro. Look at this. Look at the cheese.
Look at that.
Yours looks more filling.
Inside, but it looks so good.
Yeah, I know. Calm down. I can't eat that. I can't eat that.
See,
Okay, guys, time to put the ketchup. Yeah, I know. I didn't put it in with the sandwich. More. Yeah, okay. So, guys, my sandwich is done. Arjun's is also done, but he's harami. So he has haram. He's haram. He's haram.
who is around?
You're fasting. I don't know what they call you.
No, vegetarian. That's not my problem. You're vegetarian, not my problem.
Wait, you have to wait for how much more time?
After 10 more minutes.
Lol. I can eat whenever I want. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm not going to eat in front of you because I want you to go and make this. I want you to go and make this yourself. So yeah.
I'm making a 3-style egg sandwich. Like I make 3 kinds of eggs.
Yeah, I can't.
Like one will be scrambled, one will be omelette. I'll try making a poached egg. I don't know if it'll work or not. That'll be the first time to make a poached egg. Let's see.
Yeah, and
I'm heating my pan over here.
Eat. It's recording now. Oh wait, I need to
very
put my
fast.
phone now. Oh, this thing will take so much time. Okay, yeah.
Make your this thing a little fancy. You know what I mean?
Oh shit, it's in selfie cam. Oh, I don't have space.
Oh no.
Utter space.
What is
Yeah, I
this?
did
Bro?
have before. I don't want to take.
This is a really big disaster.
I'll uninstall stuff. 1 second. I don't play that.
Dude, we should have done this in IG Live. You know. You
Nah,
switch to IG Live right now.
My internet is
It will
not.
be better. Then
Not even.
then we can save it. Then you post it cooking with lads.
What else? Unacademy. Yeah, I don't care. Over. Deleting.
Huh?
Over. Yeah, okay, I'm going to
What
start
happened?
again. Stop going in selfie cam. I'll beat the crap out of this. Yeah, guys. So today I'm going to be making a cheese sandwich, and Arjun was going to make that thing. I don't know. So here are the ingredients. First ingredient is bread. Lester eats a much smaller packet. Like he eats 2 breads. The important thing is bread. Cause Lester's favorite food is that.
Very important.
Slices of oregano is that. That's Italian seasoning. We got cheese. I'm too lazy to grate it. And the plate. Guys, the plate is most important. Wait, how will I see whether it's
Now we will take one egg. The first egg will be scrambled one.
Random stuff is here.
What happened?
Nothing. Trying to set it up.
Oh, this is something. I have officially gone. What happened? So yeah, guys, let's try now. First thing, open the bread.
Number one.
Other than this thing there, I don't know what is going on.
What happened?
I can see him mixed up.
So, Harsha, where you are? My first egg is ready.
I don't have to take out the cheese, I broke it. It emotional. Should have grated only. Okay guys, we'll take out the other cheese, hopefully it doesn't fail.
No, flip my egg.
Ah.
Bro,
Okay guys,
that's one thing, man.
Okay guys, next step is food.
Nice and fluffy egg.
Okay guys, next step. Oh yeah.
My second egg is done. Now moving on to my third egg.
Yeah, now.
Move this off this. I'm gonna get my water
Okay
boiling.
guys, so now it's
I got the vinegar, Harsha.
Okay guys, so I put all these
Apple cider
seasonings.
vinegar.
Okay, I need to start.
What?
So guys, I put the seasoning down. As you can see, this one's done. I don't want to.
Cap of one cap of vinegar, bro.
Yeet. Wait, I need to go.
Damn, cool stuff.
I don't know this. So guys, I'll be back after the disgusting things. Now look at all the
So,
butter.
Arjun-
I don't put butter.
How much your latest have been cooking out of 10? Huh?
This.
Done with the bread.
I need to
Bread is
wash my
pretty
hands.
toasted. Now, this is a big challenge for me. I have never made a cold egg before. Making a poached egg. Oh, it works, brother. It actually works. Okay, I see it cooking.
Okay guys.
Let's see if it comes out.
Oh my god. We need two hands.
Oh, I'm scared for this.
Okay guys, so
Oh, it's cooked from. What is that?
and Arjun is still doing his
I got the yolk. So I got the poached egg, but it's kind of broken to be honest.
Oh, it's poached egg. Underwater.
Bro, it looks cool.
Wait, does that mean that
Okay,
I
guys.
need to see if it
Vegetarian
Okay, guys,
niggas.
you have to wait till
Vegetarian niggas getting triggered. I got eggs. The scrambled
Oh,
egg.
you have so many angles and allowing one angle.
One piece of bread, two piece of bread, mayonnaise, both the sides.
Only challenge was
So
sticking out the
we
cheese.
go with the omelette on the bottom, then try and get the egg. That's the
Sir,
yes sir.
what are you putting?
This is over. We need to put some. The last final touch. You need to put this.
Hey, pick it up.
Oh, that should be difficult.
Please, Inigo. Oh, that looks like ice cream, to be honest.
You never know. Like season it off with a bit of
Italian seasoning, yep.
oregano.
Yeah, I have that.
Italian seasoning, yes,
Yeah, I
Italian.
have that.
And a touch of salt. We are done. Pretty much done.
You're done, nice.
Top it off
Mine is
with
still grilling.
So look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this, huh?
Yeah, bro, I can eat that, sure.
You can definitely eat it, bro. It's tasty. It'll be tasty. Oh, like, wow. Amazing. Now I want to cut it.
If you did enjoy this cooking tutorial, guys, leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what you want me to cook next, which is vegetarian and not chicken. You know, I'll beat the whoever does that. So yeah, guys, bye.